Hi, I'm Jan, a Southern California girl. I teach what is called broadcast English, which you'll hear from news and other media announcers. Today, I'll talk about 3 of the most difficult consonant sounds in English and how to pronounce them properly. The first letter that gives my students difficulty is the letter L. The main thing to remember is that you have to move the tip of your tongue so it's on the roof of your mouth, right behind your upper teeth. For example, love, letter, language. Now, say it with me. Love, letter, language. Good job. If you look at me, you can see that I am moving my tongue so that it hits the roof of my mouth. La, la, la. Practice this in front of the mirror, just saying la, 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 and watching your tongue move. The next challenging consonant is R. In U.S. broadcast English, we always pronounce the R clearly. All you have to do to pronounce the R is round your lips. Er. Now, do it with me. Er. If you remember to round your lips, your R will be very clear. Again, I suggest you practice this in front of the mirror. First, say and then say some words that have the letter R in them. For example, nurse, hurry, purpose. You will find in every case that you are just rounding your lips. That's all you need to remember. Then we have the TH sound, which is very common in English. I'll show you where your tongue should be. Whether it is unvoiced, as in the words think and thank, or voiced, as in the words although, the, and this, your tongue is going to be in the same position. That is, between your upper and lower teeth. If you don't move your tongue and are guilty of what I call lazy tongue syndrome, thank will sound like tank, and the will sound like duh. Again, look in the mirror to make sure that your tongue moves as you say these words. Think, thank, although, the, this. Now, say them with me. Think, thank, although, the, this. Good. Of course, I'm exaggerating these sounds a little, but after you practice them enough, they'll come naturally to you and won't sound forced. Here's a sentence to practice that uses all 3 sounds that I've talked about today. You can take the long road to the right or to the left. Now with me, you can take the long road to the right or to the left. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.